In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-in and sign-out sheet in Microsoft Excel. A sign-in and sign-out sheet is a simple but very useful tool for tracking attendance, monitoring visitors, or recording the time people arrive and leave. Whether you are managing employees, students, or guests, creating a structured sign-in and sign-out sheet in Excel helps you keep everything organized and easy to review later. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank worksheet. Once the worksheet is open, start by creating the headers for your sign-in and sign-out sheet. Click on cell A1 and type Name. Then click on cell B1 and type Date. Next, click on cell C1 and type Sign-in Time. After that, click on cell D1 and type Sign-out Time. Finally, click on cell E1 and type Notes. These column headers will help organize the information that people will enter when they sign in or sign out. After entering the headers, you may want to make them easier to read. Click and drag across cells A1 through E1 to highlight all the headers. Then go to the Home tab at the top of Excel and click the Bold button in the Font section. This will make the column titles stand out and easier to identify. Next, adjust the column widths so the information fits properly. Move your cursor to the line between column letters at the top of the worksheet, such as between A and B. When the cursor changes shape, click and drag to widen the column until the header text fits comfortably. Repeat this process for the other columns if needed. To make the sheet more structured, you can add borders around the cells. Click and drag to select a larger area of the worksheet, such as cells A1 through E20, or however many rows you want available for entries. With the cells selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel and click the Border button in the Font section. From the menu, click All Borders. This will create visible lines around each cell so users can easily see where to enter their information. Now your sign-in and sign-out sheet is ready to use. When someone arrives, they can type their name in the Name column, enter the date, and record the time they signed in. When they leave, they can enter their sign-out time in the Sign-out column. The Notes column can be used for any additional details if needed. Using this simple Excel layout allows you to track attendance clearly and keep records organized for later reference. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.